Every homeowner knows that a strong roof is one of the most important investments you can make for your property. But when it's time for repairs or replacements, one of the first questions people ask is, how much will it cost? That's where getting an affordable roofing quote Boise residents can count on becomes so valuable. A clear, accurate quote gives you the confidence to move forward without the fear of hidden costs or inflated pricing. Too often, homeowners think affordable means cutting corners. But the truth is, affordability is about balance, getting the right price without sacrificing quality or reliability. Understanding the roof repair price Boise families should expect helps you prepare, plan, and make the best choice for your home. With the right team, you get workmanship that lasts, fair pricing, and the peace of mind that your roof is truly protected. When you request a professional roof repair quote Boise, you're not just asking for a number, you're asking for transparency, expert insight, and a clear plan of action. And whether it's routine maintenance, storm damage, or a full repair, a trusted quote means you know exactly what you're dealing with before the work begins. But life doesn't always wait for the right moment. When disaster strikes, you may need an emergency roof repair quote Boise right away. Fast, dependable answers in those urgent situations are what keeps small leaks from turning into large and expensive problems. And that's why many homeowners look for a fast roof quote Boise, because time matters just as much as cost when it comes to protecting your home. Your roof is more than shingles. It's the shield that keeps your family safe and your investment secure. Affordable roofing is about more than just price. It's about trust, experience, and knowing that you've made the right choice for the long run. Call us now at 208-330-7203 or visit allprosroofingboise.com for a trusted affordable roofing quote.